Good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. Already we completed circle in a notebook. So today we are going to write the same circle in practice book and worksheet. Before that, you take your slate, children, and practice circle. All of you practice properly, children. Right curve and left curve. Circle. See here, children. The inner part is empty. So we are calling this as a circle. Look here, children. If I am writing like this, it's becoming a circle. But if I am filling inner part, then what is this, children? This is a dot. What is this, children? Dot. Circle, dot. Circle, dot. Circle, dot. Practice both on slate. After practicing on slate, take out your practice book. Open the circle page, children. Open it. These are all we completed. Yes, here. Open the page number 12. Down. We are seeing here number, page number. See here, children. Put your finger and trace on the circle. 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 Look, children, here we are seeing the dot. The same page I have drawn here. All of you look here. What is this, children? Circle. Circle. And here we are seeing the dot. Look here, children, what is this? How it's looking? This is a wheel. So, how is the wheel, children? What is the wheel shape? It is in circle. Look here, children, here in your book, already you have the circle. Afterwards, all dotted. These are the dots. Dots. We are seeing like this dots in your book. See here, children. What? Dot, dot, dot. Then dot, dot, dot. Dot, all dots. These are the dots. Dots. See, if you are joining all these dots, what will become? We will see now. Dot. Yes. Look here, children, these are the dots. Let's join the dots. Join the dots, children. See here, what is this? Circle. If you are joining these all dots, it's becoming a circle. 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 Like this, write on dotted lines. After that, you come to next line. Write properly, children. Circle. 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 Right curve, then left curve. Right curve, then left curve. Right curve, then left curve. See here children, it's become a circle. This line too completed. Now, look here children. If you are writing left curve and right curve, what will become? We will see now. Left curve, then again right curve. Yes, it's to become a circle. Left curve, then right curve. But you should write like this only. Right curve, left curve. Circle, 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 circle. Yes, this line too completed. Go to next line. Circle, 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 circle. See here children, my classwork page completed. Look here children, write the classwork page and homework page too. After completing practice book, once again take the slate children, all of you, look here, see here, put your slate pencil here and draw the circle from this side. This is the forward circle. If you are drawing like this is the forward circle, and if you are drawing like this is the backward circle. Forward circle, this is the backward circle. See here children, practice both forward circle then backward circle. After practicing on slate, sorry children, see here children, this is the forward circle and this is the backward circle. This is the forward circle, this is the backward circle. Practice both circles. After practicing, take out your worksheet. English worksheet. Open the English worksheet children. Open it. Where we are seeing the circles, you find out. Open, open. Yes, here open. Page number 7. See here children, what we are seeing here? We are seeing here the sun and the flowers. Follow the arrows. Here we are seeing, see children, this is the sun and here we are seeing one dot and they gave the arrows for each circles. What we should do? We are seeing here. Look here children. The same page I have drawn here. See here. Here we are writing the forward circle. Look children. Keep. Here this is the dot. Here we are seeing the dot. And we should put your pencil on the dotted lines here, and this is the forward circle means you go up, up, then come down, then again join here. This is the forward circle like this. Join here, then it's completing the sun. Next, go to the flower. This one, go to the flower. Here see children. This like same. Here too, put your pencil here and go up. Start from here, start from the dot and join these dotted lines. Forward circle. completed. Next, again, follow the arrows. It's given in your worksheet. Go to up, forward, circle. These two completed. Then again we are seeing here the dotted lines. Go to up. Like this you write the forward circle. Like this, forward circle. See children, all of you look here. Here on the dotted lines you should write the forward circle. Forward circle. Like this you should write the forward circle. After completing this page, turn the next page, open the next page. Look here children. What are these? These are lollipops. The same lollipops I have drawn on the board. Look here. What we should do here? Here in the sun and in the flowers, we did the circles like a forward. But in the lollipops, we are tracing the each circles of lollipops in backward way. How is the backward? I told on the slate. Look children, here they gave the arrow mark like this. Arrow marks means we should write from like this, from down to up. Here we wrote up to down and here we are writing down to up. So join these dots. Put here. Here we are seeing one dot children on the lollipop. Put your pencil on the dot and come down. Down to up. Go up. Join the dots. Up. Yes, it's completing the lollipop. Go to next. See here children, here we are seeing so many dots. First, all of you go to inner part. Go to inside. Inside we are seeing one small dot. Come down first. Join the dot, this small dot. Yes, like this join the dot first. This is the backward circle. Again we are seeing here dot. Put your pencil on dot and come down first. Down. Then go up. Like this you join this circle. Second circle. Afterwards again we are seeing here dot children up. Go up. Come down first. Down. Then go up and join this. This is the backward circle. How we wrote? Here backward circle. Yes, we trace here backward. Yes. Come down lollipop children. Here we are seeing like this arrow, two arrows like that only. Where we are finding the dot, here we are finding one dot and here put your pencil inside and come down, then go up. Backward circle. This is the backward circle and join this lollipop's dots. Then it's completing the lollipop. Yes. See here children, like this you do this page. Here, this is the forward circle and this is the backward circle. See children, this is the backward circles page. Follow the correct arrows and do this page. All of you after completing take a pic and send it to me. Thank you children.